folks, I'm going to tell you 5 quick facts about black bull markets. Now, did you know, number 1, they're New Zealand FMA regulated. Number 2, did you know they have a copy trading service where you can either be a signal provider or copy signals? And number 3, did you know they've got over 26,000 tradable assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and even more? And number 4, did you know they offer 500 to 1 leverage? And number 5, if you open up an account today and trade 1 lot a month, they're going to give you TradingView Pro for free. Check them out, Black Bull Markets.
What's up? Beautiful day, start of the month. New candles opening. New monthly candles opening. Yep. Let's go. All right. So on the last stream, I was talking about how I started using one of my old strategies with the TDI, right? Pretty cool setups so far with it. So yeah, I decided to do it an hour earlier. We definitely have more opportunities at the open compared to later. So there, yeah. Yeah, so yeah, let's just get into some of these pairs and what I'm looking for. Personally, I want to see gold buying up to these levels. First would be this one. Right? It could possibly shoot up to 2002, 2000. Right? So I like to see something like this. This one. Just like breaks and retests. Something like that. But you know, gold, man, this thing, bro. This sometimes it can even just do this straight up all the way. Right, so let's see on the 15 how we're gonna find some confirmation. I mean, London already started to shoot it, so how are you going to enter this? All right, 15-minute already started to go down. Yeah, I guess just wait for a pullback, man. We just break some structure here, or wait for this. So the high of the day was just broken right about here. Want to wait for something to go higher. Firstly, that's what I want to see. Let me see if we have news, man. News. What? Yo, we've been having news every day. So yeah, we have about 3 news events. It says ADP, unemployment, and then ISM the next 2 hours. But I'm starting to do 1 hour specials now. I've been quite busy with the mentees. We have a session right literally after this, so yeah, we'll try to just do some analysis quick. Yeah, so I think on Saturday I said, Saturday I was like, all right, so price already ranging. We're gonna see what it does. So price ended up breaking the low, and then breaking this high. So it's kind of indicating we could go higher. All right. All right. I think we're bearish, man. No, I like to see price hit at least this level. So 300 points, pretty decent. Yeah, so the TDI, I've been starting to look at divergence such as this. The price was above the 50 for a while, and it broke structure. All right. Here, and price pulled back. Now and it crossed the RSI right there. So now we're dumping. So I'm just waiting, man. Literally just waiting to see. Boy, I wish. Oh, I like the mess. Too messy. Price broke right about there. And here. Right. We got a break. I'm still bearish. And you see prices starting to kind of range. So we want to see some sort of either pump and dump. Right? Pull back. Continue the trend. Right? So just keep your eyes open on what it might do. Because I feel like this is the high of the week. They're respecting it. And on top of that, we're below the 50 on the TDI. And it's starting to show a weakness. Once it crosses the MBA, the black line, then we'll see. So the reason why I've been trading TDI is just, it's part of my old strategy. When I was trading literally just highs and lows all the time. I'm still doing that, but I feel like TDI can definitely give you some insight on what may happen next. See? Before it happened, jeez, man. Yeah, before it happened, look at that. Reversal divergence. So yeah, some of my mentees, man, they've been so interested in this stuff, so I like it. Euro, man. Euro, Aussie, nothing. Yep, DJ doing exactly what we expected. Now CGJ going to, yeah, we just hit these levels. So yeah, possible we get a parabolic move, like a real big pump. And whenever, I think someone in the comments last time said it too, whenever we have like a tight range, get ready, boys. Get ready. boys and girls. All right. All right. Let's check some comments quick. See what you guys are saying. Yeah. So I'm here for about until 9. So I'm going to be hour specials now. So you know, you see how price is starting to just do something like that. Could we see a break? Above pullback continue, perhaps. Just the intact low of the week right there. USD Canadian. Yeah, I still think that we could hit these lows. Yep, or at least the break there. So let's just wait. Let's wait and see. All right. But yeah, should move smooth. All right, so let's see if price breaks this range so we can take positions lower. Literally, as I just spoke, price is breaking. High of the day, new high of the day. Yeah, but the timing criteria doesn't fit for me on NASDAQ. I like to trade after 9:30, 10 o'clock. Yeah, so I think news just said something. It just got released, the ADP. So, all right, guys, let's see some comments, man. Let's see. What's up? Questions. Yeah. Look, man, also be dynamic, right? So let's say price doesn't reach here. Still have a low here. Retest it and possibly come back to this high, right? So just open your mind to the possibilities of what can happen. So yeah, let's see. All right, man, any comments before we continue? Hmm. We got about oil, man. Price broke. Created a low. Started bouncing. New high. Right. Price took out the high. And look. TDI. Boom. TDI doing beautiful things. That beautiful. Enders. What's up, Enders? Am I in any trades? Not right now. We just had news. We have news again in 7 minutes. So I just stay out of it until we have some clear direction. But I did just mention what I was anticipating, though, and why. Right? Yeah, so we'll just stick to gold for now because it's 8 o'clock, 8:30, and then after we'll move on. Yeah, so I told you guys what the trades could potentially become. Uh, I looked over some pairs, right? Very quickly scanning them. And that's how it should be, man. You guys shouldn't spend more than 20 minutes, 30 minutes max on pairs and what it might do, right? Establish your key levels, make a thesis like what may happen. If this happens, then I'll do that, right? If this happens, then we'll do this type of vibe. So, where do you check for news related with the markets? You can just check Forex Factory. Forex Factory. Okay, that's one of them. And another one was economic. Trading economics, right? .com. So you guys can use both, but high impact only, like the red folder. All right, all right. We're in between. I want to see something like this. All right, we're in between. Yeah, so Forex Factory, only focus on the red folders. You don't need to look at the other news. Really, it doesn't matter. So 4 minutes, we'll see what happens. If we get some good setups, then we will take it. All right, so now let's read the TDI. All right, so we're below the 50 right now. We want to see if price respects these levels. All right, something like that. If price action breaks it, if price action respects it and RSI breaks it, then that's a good sign for continuation buys. All right, so, but if this doesn't respect, then we'll just wait to continue going low because they just set a high of the day right there. But the timing doesn't look proper to me right now, as this was a rage. They could just be the retracement. All right. So market structure's king. Then this is just the extra and confluence, that gives you that extra confluence, man. Extra edge. Not saying it's like 100% all the time, but it's pretty accurate, bro. All right, so 1 minute. Let's see. Ooh. Yep. Look at that. A little bounce. All right, let's see what happened. UCAD sells as we just discussed. So I'm still bearish on this. All right. Price just shot 50 pips in gold. Nasdaq, no reaction. Yeah, and Nasdaq should be interesting though. If they fail to break the low, then we'll just be patient for the buy setup. Yeesh. And could we scalp it? Risk to reward's not good. Nah. That's bad risk to reward. Alright, so let's see. They are holding this for now. But yeah, I feel like a lot of buyers got in. They just broke the high. TDI just crossed. So it's a mess. Don't buy into the hype though, remember, man. Don't buy into the hype. Let's get it. So yeah, only USD pair that actually moved properly was USD Canadian right here. 27 points. Not too crazy. GJ. We do expect some resistance, so it failed to break. Just time to pull back. UJ flipped the candle, went from bullish to bearish. Now we'll just see if they break this low. Break a low. I think we should see this happening more. Down. I'd like to see more sells on NASDAQ. But yeah, guys, I have to tell you, man, don't come to the stream if you're looking for signals, you know? Like, if you just want signals, don't come. I'll be honest. I'm here to educate. I'm here to show you. You know, I'm here to show you a setup that could possibly happen. Not I'm saying I'm not here to just give you guys free signals, you know. I give you guys what may happen. I give you guys what may happen, and then I talk about, you know, the concepts which I teach in my mentorship and my students. So yeah, only if the setup's there, man, we take it. But if you're just looking for signals, sorry, man. I'm not gonna be here just to give you guys setups. That's just a byproduct. We're talking about the markets first. So just wanted to address that. You know, a lot of people have been asking me, man, yo, signal group. I don't have a signal group, guys. All right. But if you guys want to follow my trades, you guys can. Right. It's down below. So yeah, check it out, man. Check it out. You guys can follow the trades and also learn, man. Learn. I think that's the key. Yeah, so news had some underwhelming impact. Now, could price have a first bounce and then continue higher? It should be interesting enough, but I personally would like to wait for the 10 a.m. news, and we could possibly milk some of it after. Right. All right. So all right. Could we see 1974? Worth a try. All right. I want to see if we have some continuation divergence. We're above the 50. NBL's here. Could put by. Get some better setups. All right, so this is moving smooth. Now I would expect Nasdaq to dump and let gold kind of hit the high. But I do feel like once we do reach this level, we're gonna get some resistance from gold until 10 o'clock, because that's just how the market has been, man. It's been resisting a lot. That's these key areas. So patience. But the way gold just did that is no coincidence, man. London, low. New York, low. Right? And look at that. Look at the way price is moving. If it respects these highs, then it won't take the buys. You know. All right, so yeah, man. If you guys have any questions, man, because I'm doing these 1 hour specials now, right? 20 more minutes. So just get your questions out as much as possible, so you guys can address that first while we wait for our opportunities. I've noticed on Thursdays though as well is you got to be quite patient compared to Mondays. You know, all right. Let's move it. Yeah, if we're gonna take a position, we're gonna take it right after, man. We just had high impact news. Let it settle, and then take positions later. But yeah, I think this was the best setup for the day. It happened 6:30. There was a retest there. Right, New York Open, 90 points, 90 pips. Not bad at all, man. I still see sells. All right, let's see how this plays out. All right. Below. MBL is below. Third. I think price broke structure as well. Just by a tiny bit. We'll just wait and see. Cliffco, thank you for doing this. Please discuss your indicators and why you like them. 2 indicators. Week and day. I can kind of see how the week is kind of progressing. Start of the week, more towards the end of the week, right? So TDI, I like TDI, man. TDI has been good to me. I was trading TDI back in 2019, 2020. Very powerful when used correctly, right? So I've been starting to see basically it helps me see the sentiment, right? So we have this cross right here. Look at that. RSI cross broke below 50 as well, and look at how it dumped. Look at the way it dumped. Pretty awesome. I mean, all right, that's that. Yeah, and TDI actually gives me a nice entry. So let's say I'm on H1, this would confirm it. All right, so let's say I'm up here. Price is going up. And we have this going down, right? So this is already showing me bearish potential. The break of market structure happened here. Pullback. Entry right there at the cross. See? Exact high, literally. And price would be up 100 pips. So yeah, I do show this in my mentorship. If you guys are interested, it's in the link below. Yeah, you guys can find that in the link. You guys can follow some of my trades as well. But if anything, I'll just put my stuff here. All right. So yeah, and that's that. Number 2, how would you have entered that trade where you had the divergence? I didn't take any setups yet. I was looking at gold, but gold was nice for a continuation. Right here, you see that? So convergence. When price and RSI do the same thing, it's convergence. You can kind of just take a bounce off of it. But personally, I don't like trading that too much compared to divergence. You know what I mean? Like this is a clear. Oh, see how that's flat and this is up? Changes your mind, right? When price fails to break, but the RSI breaks, what does that say? Continuation of this trade. But this is being respected, so we're keeping our... See, and it also filters out the trades, right? It also filters out the trades. That's what I like. I don't personally like trading too much, though. I've started to realize that with myself, right? And this is something that I also say to you guys is figure out what works for you, man. Literally, there's so many ways to do this. To make it consistent income, right? But personally, I've noticed myself only taking like 1 or 2 trades a week. All right? Just look. That's divergence, man. RSI broke it. This to that. So that's kind of, right? You guys could even scalp these sometimes. There's nothing wrong with that. Who said you can't? London session, 50 points. But the low of the day was respected, man. So yeah, man. Focus on the quality, man. I haven't been trading too much either, man. Just been relaxing at the same time, focused on the best opportunities. And when they're there, using my sizing up on them because it's a 90-10, 90% chance of winning, right? Versus 50. So yeah, so 10 minutes left, man. I'll be in. I'm gonna be doing more things, analysis, and then if I do take a trade, you guys can click the link below and follow the trades there instead of just having to watch the stream all the time, right? You'll just be put in the Telegram, and trades that I'll take will be copied. So yeah, pretty interesting there. Yeah, so one thing I also have to say about the mentorship is spots have been filling up. If you guys want to get a spot for the next month, I do have a few spots open. We're literally just going to talk about mastering price action, the highs and the lows sessions, and also starting to use the TDI tool, right? It really just helps with filtering your setups, taking better setups, not, oh, wait, let me see. Hey, man, if price breaks this, let me let, let me just take an entry. It'll probably break out and hit this level because, oh, it's a key level, right? They don't have to always hit the key level. Or, hey, man, I see these candles forming. higher highs, higher lows, right? As you guys can see, guys who sold, taken out. Yeah, so I think this did end up going for continuation like this. You see that? Look what TDI just showed us. Continuation right there. RSI's down, price action's up. All right, this could possibly be nice, man. Uh, I would like to wait for the candle to close, man, ideally, but yeah, man, those are my thoughts on that. All right, man. Few minutes left. Any questions, man? Any questions? Man, UCAD. UCAD, man. UCAD. Setting up a low for us. See, gold is not convincing me, man, on the same level. UCAD was, look at UCAD, man. Just doing exactly what we wanted, right? It's gonna go down to these levels, guys. All right. Highs, lows. Mm. I said from the head. Funny. All right. So could this candle break out? Could this candle break out? Take that. That's what we'd like to see, man. Run the highs. Run the highs. Run the highs. Ultimately, 1974, 1984. Ultimately, right? That's what we'd be focused on. Look at that. I just took a shit. It's too obvious, man. All right. So, candle just closed. It's still looking like it could take that high out, man. So, should we take the setup? UCAD. I'm thinking. Boom. Gold is doing it. Gold is moving. But you see how price just broke this? What's the next level? The high of the previous day. All right. So All right, man. Yeah. Any questions, man? Before I get out of here, guys, give you guys some direction to the market. You guys can start from the top and see what my thoughts were right start of the stream. So yeah, man. One. Next 30 seconds. Let's see if we get any questions, and if not, we'll just move on. Call it a stream. Yeah, just been quite busy with some mentees, so I have to. All right, I guess no more questions. Yeah. So, right before I call it a day, I'll just look through it. Yeah, US 30 movement to the lows. Nasdaq doing the same thing, moving to the lows. Gold making its way up. UCAD still respecting this low. Oil in a range, but we're still bearish. Euro AD, nothing. GJ reaction. UCAD, would love to see just price hit these lows, sell off. All right. All right, man. Hope you guys had a good day. Let it just hit the TP, which would be this high, right about there. This wick. So, yeah, man. Peace and love, man. Stay tuned. All the links are in the description. We'll be coming back doing more of these. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Enjoy the summer and the vibes, man. Manage that risk. Take care of yourself, your mind. And I'll see you guys later, man. Peace.